Hello guys, and welcome to your 31st Java tutorial in which we're going to be going over the this keyword. Now, as you guys probably noticed, I've deleted all the packages from the previous tutorial simply by right-clicking the packages and clicking delete, and we pretty much just started with a blank slate. And you guys might have also noticed that when you type this in Java and type it correctly, it gets highlighted, meaning that it's actually a keyword in Java. Now, what exactly does this keyword do? Well, let's go ahead and find out. To effectively demonstrate that, I'm going to create a new class and name it name. Wonk. And this name class will hold a name of a person, and it's going to have three private strings that represent this name. One that's going to be the first name, that's going to hold the first name, and the other two will be for the middle and the last name. And I hope you guys remember that the private means that it's only accessible by stuff in this class and this class only. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the constructor, which will also be name, and it's going to take three variables in its constructor. It's going to be a string for the first name once again, a string for the middle name, and a string for the last name. Now you guys might already see what I'm getting at here, but before that, we actually demonstrate that this keyword, I'll just quickly go over that. I'll quickly, just say that these variables right here that are defined in the as parameters in this method are local variables because we can only use them in this method. And these three are global variables, meaning we can use them in all methods throughout the entire class. Now, if we just go ahead here and we set first equal to, I don't know, hello or hello, you never know. It's gonna automatically, you see they're highlighting here. It's this first variable. We're setting our local first equal to hello. We're not setting our global first equal to hello. So how do we actually access this global first instead of this local first? Well, we actually have to type this dot first. And what this means is that this dot first, and as you can see right now it's highlighting this first instead of this first. And that why we have to do this is because this points to the name object, and dot first is pretty much the dot operator, and it acts as a member variable or a global variable of this class. We can only access global variables of this class through this keyword. And this dot first once again represents the global variable of our name class, and this points to name. So all we're going to do is set the this dot first equal to the first name passed into our constructor, which notice is just they highlight this first this time, the local first. Alright, I keep repeating myself a bit much, but I think you guys have gotten the point up to now. This keyword points to this class dot first. Alright, I'm pretty sure you guys are on solid ground right now. So and just one more thing, just to clear up. So say we had our name class and we set it equal to new name, and and we wanted to access the variable n dot, we wanted to access the first name and set it equal to something, n dot first, if we could, and set it once again to hello. Well, we're getting an error because it's a private variable. So remember, we use this instance of n to access the first variable. Well, in this case, we're using the same technique here, except we don't have any instance of n name So we're just using this keyword to point directly to our class. I hope that made at least some sense, and we will continue in the next tutorial with a new concept that builds off of this one. So thank you guys once again for watching. See you in the next tutorial, and peace.